Welcome friend. How to clean up a blurry image. First, I need to come to Play Store, search from Remini app. I have downloaded this app, so I open it. Now we'll take a photo from phone gallery. This photo, enhance, watch and add. I have to watch ads because this is the free version. Second ad, reward granted. Click. Now turn the right side to the left and take a look. This is original photo. Turn the right side to the left and take a look. Original photo. I have to save. Save. I have to watch ads because this is the free version. 30-second ad. This way bad photos can be scanned and cleaned. 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Remaining reward can't. Okay. Save to gallery. Done. Back. This way bad photos can be scanned and cleaned. Gallery, photos, this is original photos, scan photos, how to clean up a blurry image. Like the video if you like it. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you.